Hi everyone, here we've got OnePlus 8T and let me show you how to block specific contact on this device. So actually we've got two options to choose from. The first one is using our contact list and the second is using the dialer settings. So of course I will show you both. So first of all, let's tap on the dialer and now let's go to your contact list. Now let's tap on the one you want to block and click on this three dot icon. Now let's tap on the block numbers. I don't want to report it as a spam, and if you're ready to block a number, tap on block. And as you can see, the number has been blocked successfully, so it means that from now on you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from that number. Now let's get back, and in the second option it doesn't really matter if you will be on your favorites, recents or contacts. We've got the three dots icon, so let's tap on it and choose the settings. Here we've got the blocked numbers option, and as you can see here we've got our blacklist. This is the number we just blocked. What's more, we can block all unknown numbers. This is the option, so your device will block calls from unidentified callers. Now it is turned off. In order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher here. What's more, we can add a number manually. Just tap on add a number, and as you can see we can freely type a number we want to block. Tap on block if you're ready, and as you can see it immediately appears on our blacklist, so it means that from now on you won't receive calls or texts from blocked number. If you want to unblock the number, nothing easier, just tap on this X button and tap on unblock. As you can see it immediately disappears from our blacklist. Let's get back to our contacts and tap on the one we just unblocked, and as you can see it is also notified here. So that's all. This is how to block a contact in your OnePlus 8T. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.